Ever dreamed of creating stunning drone-like shots but don't own a drone? In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Earth Studio to create realistic drone-style animations right at your fingertips. We'll take a virtual flight over Tokyo and use default animations like spiral to mimic professional drone footage. Let's dive in. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Earth Studio website by entering its URL and pressing the Enter key. If you already have a Google Earth Studio account, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. If you don't have an account, you'll be redirected to the Sign Up page. Here, fill in the required details, including your first name, last name, organization, country, industry, and the purpose of using Google Earth Studio. Once you submit the form, your application will be reviewed. Approval may take some time. After your account is approved, return to the Google Earth Studio website. Click on File, then New and then Spiral to begin your animation. Use the search bar to select a location for your animation. Ensure the location supports 3D imagery for the best results. For this tutorial, let's use Tokyo as an example. Now zoom to the desired location. Use your mouse's scroll wheel and click and hold to adjust the altitude and viewing angle of the scene. Once satisfied, click the Next button. On the next screen, you can customize parameters such as modify the start and end point of radius, angle, and altitude for your spiral. Use the Play button to preview your animation and make adjustments as needed. Once satisfied, proceed by clicking Next. By default, the spiral animation duration is set to 25 seconds. You can adjust this duration before clicking Next. Once done, the animation timeline is ready. Click on Render and configure the following options: output format, choose video, MP4, or frame sequences, dimensions, set your desired resolution, attribution position, select the desired position, map style, use the clean style for a professional look, texture quality, set this to high for optimal visuals. 360-degree spherical VR mode, enable this if you need a VR-compatible video. After configuring these options, click Submit to send your animation for rendering. Open the Cloud Renderer to view the status of your rendering queue. Once rendering is complete, a download link will be provided. Download the file, and you're done. With just a few steps, you've created a stunning, drone-like animation, all from the comfort of your desk. Try it for your next project and amaze everyone with your virtual flight.